Good morning. Today is the day. Harvest time. Tractor, my trusty steed. Ready for action? Whoa! Almost there. Phew! Morning, Pip. Big plans today.
Chirp, chirp. What's happening? Squeaky. Time for potatoes. To the potato patch. A big surprise awaits us. Off we go. Follow me.
Whoa, there! Almost lost my grip.
Gotcha. We're almost there, Pip. Quack, quack. Quack, brrr. Me drive too.
Ah, the bounty awaits! Whew, long drive, but we're here.
Quack. What now? Shh.
The treasure is near. First one!
Quack! Dirty nose! Tiny! Where's the big one? So many! A true harvest!
Look at our treasure, almost full.
Oh, this one is a monster!
Tay-day!
The biggest!
Wow, that's huge!
Ooh, quack, quack chirps!
Careful, Pip! Don't wash away our dinner!
Snack time?
Not yet, Squeaky! Patience!
Friends! Come quick! Dinner time! Potato feast! Amazing! To friendship and potatoes.
Another beautiful day on the farm. So much to do, so much to grow. Oh my goodness! Halloween is almost here! A Halloween adventure night! Yes! The best farm adventure ever!
Lights! Pumpkins! Spooky fun surprises around every corner! Woohoo! We will make this the most amazing Halloween, Ducky! What do you say?
Let's do this! Operation Halloween Adventure Night is a go! So many pumpkins! We need the best ones for our adventure! This one is extra sturdy. My strong farmer muscles need a boost. Look at these! Perfect for spooky fun drapes! So shiny! Almost there! This will make a grand seating area. A grand, prickly seating area.
Oh, little bat, you're not scary at all. Just charmingly clumsy.
So many treasures. Now, how to turn this chaos into a masterpiece.
Almost got it. These lights have a mind of their own.
So close, just a little bit higher. Yelp!
Aha! Teamwork and a little clever thinking. Take that, gravity.
A friendly ghost, a silly ghoul, not scary at all, just fun. Oh, you're the best helper, Ducky. These bats will look fantastic. Close call. Can't have any broken adventure glow givers.
Almost there. It's starting to look wonderfully adventurous, isn't it, Ducky?
It's perfect. Better than I imagined.
Just right. Every detail perfect for our guests. Woohoo! Our farm is ready for its Halloween adventure night. Let the fun begin!